Welcome to Cooking Life with Des. Today, magluluto tayo ng beef macaroni. At ito ang ating mga sangkap. 1/4 cup of cooking oil or any kind of oil that is available at home. 2 medium-sized chopped onions. 3 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. 3 round-cut green chilies, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Any kind of salt is available at home. At gagamit tayo ng leftover beef meat. It's boneless. I remove all the bones so that it will be safer to eat. We also have 400 grams boiled macaroni. So let us start. Done. I cook it for 15 minutes. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and have a great day. See you on my next video.